Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gems on Scrabble Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the gems icon in the top right corner. On this page, you can see certain amount of gems with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how many gems you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 150 gems. Then I'll have to tap on 150 option. Then on this pop-up menu, tap on add credit or debit card option. Then you'll come across this page. Here you'll have to enter your card information. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons. So all you have to do in that page is enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out. Then your account will be automatically added with 150 gems. So that is how you can buy gems on Scrabble Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.